frame of my flag. So this is really a good way to measure that aspect of that. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, guys, you're welcome. If this is not your first time, you're still welcome to this channel. I love you guys, and you guys will take one or two out of my analysis here. All right. What I'll be doing today is going to be talking about technical levels on low float, low price stocks today. As of Friday, where they closed, and what I'm expecting the stocks to really do. But with everything in mind, there is always a risk management in place. Your stop loss is also there to take care of any emotional and attachment to your stock, right? But before then, let's talk about the market just briefly. In my previous video, I talked about the market in details, but right now here we got SPY, right? SPY is the Spider 500 ETF, and what I'm expecting the market to do is to go, break through this 200 moving average, this green line here, and then hold right above it. Right now we did break above it, which is that 140 area, and held 141.95 as out of the close Friday. So I'm expecting more in the market because we really sold off based on RSI. Now, if I cannot post everything here on this video or analyze them, I will post them up on my Twitter account, or you can also follow me up on my stock tweet. So stock tweet, I have every given details on stocks. Now, our first stock is going to be INDO. INDO right now did pop on Thursday right above the 200 moving average, okay, only to pull back on a Friday, try to retest that area, but sustained support around $5. So keep an eye out on this 550 break. We're going to be looking for $5 as a support. I don't think this will just sell off drastically all the way back down to where it started. So keep an eye out on that name. SRRA, this one is Sierra Oncology. Right now we are about 50% retraced from the lows of 15. So I'll be looking for price to really hold, pull back to the 24, hold that area, and will continue to push. EPZM as well sold right off, broke support, and then back to $1. Reason is because they did an offering at about 1.5, $1.50, which relatively will give them about $85 million. ENSV as well, I'm looking for a bounce off the 60 cents. With CGNT, we've been selling right off, coming from the $27 spot. So right now we're about $10. So $10 is going to act as a support for some form of a bounce, at least into this trend. So keep an eye out on that. GWH as well, we've been selling off. I'm expecting a bounce of this $5. That candle right here, this candle is a doji. So keep an eye out and see if we can get that confirmation for a reversal. RCON as well, we are reversing right now. We pushed really into the 20 exponential moving average, so we'll be looking for price to really sustain this $1.25, and then we can continue upwards. VLCN as well, this really broke levels and sold right off. Right now $3 if we can reclaim that area. FBROX as well, Look how we've been trending lower, holding this, you know, channel. So right now we're bouncing off the support into our 20 exponential moving average. So it is a good watch on that name. ENSC as well, we sold right off back into 150 zone. So right now support is going to be around this area. AHI, look for a bounce off the $2, which we're doing right now. MRAM as well, MRAM, we're bouncing off that $8 zone with double bottom bounce, and now we're looking for price to really visit that $10. So keep an eye out on that as well. This is a sold off, one of them Spark sold off name, back to 386. So right now $4 is that area to keep an eye out on. AGTC, this one right now we are pushing and pushing and pushing. $2 is coming, guys. Okay, IMPP, we're looking for $2 as a support. We did push through $3.50 only to make it positive in terms of RSI, but right now we need that $2 to hold, and then we can continue to push to the upside. IMGI as well, I think we're beginning to bounce right off from the bottom. WKEY as well, look for a bottom bounce play on that double bottom there. BBLG, this one right now we're looking for $2 as a support, guys. Okay, we did push through this and we bounced, push through. I'm expecting a bounce at least into $2.40, $2.50. Okay, befriend me, Biofrontera, BRFRI. Right now this is more like we're looking for this to really bounce. Okay, this is the inverse of the uptrend. Okay, so we're looking for price to really start bouncing back into $4, $5 in the coming days. So keep an eye out on this one. Okay, another reverse one is AHT. Okay, this is a reverse chart. We really extended to the upside, meaning to the downside, right? So I'll be looking for a retest of this $9. So I'll be looking for a 2-point bounce on this name in terms of RSI. BNGO as well, the reverse looking pattern right now we're really extended, and I'll be looking for price to revisit the $2.50 on that as well. TBLP, right now price is really holding this level, but 30 cents, I think that bounce, I'm looking for that bounce to come on that name. Pixie, well, we did push, and you know, we just consolidated, and we couldn't break this area because of the resistance around that 190, 185, and then sold right off back to the 20 exponential moving average. I expect this area to hold, which also coincide with our uptrend. So keep an eye out on Pixie as well, see if this area hold for a bounce. ATIP as well, ATIP, this $3 reclaim, I think we should be all right to push to the upside. EOLS, I talked about it last week, and I said possibility for a bounce here, making this double region as a double bounce play, which gives us our W to the push. So every time I have a W, there's a potential for that push higher on the name. So I always look for W-shaped pattern for the move to the upside as well. BBLG, we're looking for a bottom bounce play off the $2. That is what I'm expecting on that name. VLON, we're looking for a triple trend, a bounce here, 1, 2, and I'm expecting a bounce off with support around the $4 in the coming days. DOGZ, we're looking for 200. 200 has been holding so far as a support, the 200 moving average. So expecting price to push through $4, and then we should be good. Another one that is really crazy, no volume at all, is AWX. So keep an eye on AWX as AWH begin to push too. PUM as well, PULM, as right now we're looking for a support bounce into 42 cents. That's what you're going to be looking at. SNDL as well. I'm hoping for not hope is not a strategy, but I'm expecting a reverse split on this name, as well as CEI. If CEI continue to push lower below support right now is going to be 50 cents, since $1 didn't hold as a natural support. BLPH as well, $2, looking for that reclaim of the $2. ENVB support right now around 55 cents, 60 cents hold. I think we can hold us all the way down to 75 cents, so keep an eye out on that name. RKDA as well, we're looking for weed to come into the ballot this time around. GBR as well, as oil continue to do good. I expect this to do good. I sold some into the 325 because we've tried that 325 second time and third time. I was like, I'm done with that for now. So right now I'll be picking some up around 250 if it comes, but Monday I'll be watching for that as well. KPTI right now, we are bouncing off the 200 moving average. That is your area to watch. CRTX, we sold right off, and then now finding support around $5. If $5 reclaim, I think we should be able to break that downtrend, guys. APROE, this is not a good sign because we're breaking the $2. $2 need to reclaim for a continuation higher on the name. Up. That's where stocks goes, right? VNTR as well, $2.25 is your support. VVOS, oh my goodness, these are like this because right now $3 is going to be the area to watch, right? We did bounce off into $3.50 only to reject this level. Why? If you take a look at this spot right now, this is our resistance, $3.35. If assuming this $3.35 broke out really good, our next level would have been that $4 or $4.50, because why? The 200 moving average is right around this green trend right now, so that would have been another area if assuming more buying came in around this $3.50. This push higher with no volume, so I expect resistance spot to really hold. So keep an eye out just in case we retry again, because we're making lower highs on that name. ROELI as well, $6. Okay, we're breaking the 50 exponential moving average, which is not good, but at this point in time expect $6 to hold as a support if it comes, so I'll be looking out for that name. CRTX as well, did me wrong. I took some loss around this area because we failed the 950 area, so which was my technical stop out zone with my entry around that $10 spot. So I was expecting $10 to really hold, but it didn't hold, and market sold off, and this one as well sold off as well. So PIK as well is another one. $5 is your area to watch. Inverse head and shoulder expectation here, so keep an eye out on that as well. AREC, looking for a bounce off that 160 we did, so expect more. LLNW, guys, woo, 375 is your area to watch. Okay, that area is our support. This area right now, this trend is going to be our support for the continuation higher to the upside, guys. Right now we pull back from the overbought zone, and right now I think we can consolidate and then push. Right now I still see a larger frame of my flag, so this is really a good way to measure that aspect of that flag. So I'm expecting that flag area to really hold. CNTX finally, Context Therapeutics, this one right now, $2 need to reclaim. If we can reclaim $2, I think we can continue to push into $2.50. If we can get $2.50, I think we can still push to the upside. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, concern, you can email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com. Thank you guys. Have a fantastic weekend. Have a blessed weekend. Peace and love, guys. Bye bye.